What's up, guys? We were just working in the shop, but then a customer dropped off, so we wanted to kind of just, well, he pulled up. I didn't see the car beforehand, so we were talking through email, I think, and the car pulled up, and I was like, that's a pretty nice car. So I was like, before he even got out, I was like, can we film this? He's like, yes. I was like, all right, cool. Let's go to the elephant in the room first of all. It's too tall. All right, the car's too tall, but I'm sure at one point this car was slammed, and I don't know. This, to me, this is like one of the reasons I even care about drifting is something like this. A red 180SX Type X Aero, bronze TEs, the correct double stagger, the correct tire size, 215/40, 17 in the front. This is 225/40, 18, which is even better on the rear. And of course, SR20. This is an actual 180SX, so that's awesome too. I don't know, I just love this car, so I wanted to go over some stuff with you guys. But he actually raised it because he's not trying to destroy the body kit. I think we already got him to agree to let us lower it like an inch. So, because I'm like, you can't be driving around like this. This is not okay. Because everything else is just so perfect. He's got the bride seats. He's got Ganador mirrors. He's got a D-Max roof wing, which is my favorite one because it matches the Type X spoiler so perfectly. I think he recently bought this car from someone else. I don't have the exact story on this, but he's got the carbon. It was from Connecticut?
I believe so.
Yeah, so someone else owned this car that Chris says I know. I'm just an idiot and I forget everyone, so I probably do know him, but I'm not sure. But now the new owner, Jeff, is a really nice guy, and he just wants to do the car right. He wants to, refresh everything. It's got a transmission leak, so we got to fix that. He already approved a bunch of stuff on this, so we're just gonna do some maintenance and get it running right. I'm trying to convince him to slam this thing, but I know he doesn't want to destroy it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll pop the hood because there's some interesting things in the hood, under the hood. But yeah, the seats are great. But yeah, it was brought here for a couple reasons. One of them being that the seat, well, I think the passenger seat is not mounted right. So we gotta look into that, figure out why. He's even got Blitz, old school Blitz gauges in the dashboard, which is awesome. Dash mat, which is pretty standard on most 180s because I'm sure the dashboard is destroyed. It's just a standard thing these days, unfortunately. Nardi steering wheel, which is, which is like a standard thing on a build like this. So it's got the nice Nardi deep corn. What else? Bride Zeta 2 maybe? It looks like a Zeta 2. And then, yeah, let's pop the hood. 180s look so good in red. I don't even like red cars, but this just looks so good. So when we pop the hood, the first thing my eyes go to is this crazy ass air oil separator catch can setup. I've never seen something like that in my life. So someone told me it might be a Blitz part, maybe like an old school Blitz part. If you guys know anything about this, let me know. But yeah, it looks like they cap off the one side of the T-fitting on the S13 SR valve cover. Goes to a can. The PCV is deleted. It is deleted? Yeah, it's deleted. And then this is ran to the can as well, and this vents to atmosphere. So it's not a bad setup. Also, the crankcase breather from the bottom and the back is coming up to this can as well. So it doesn't look like a bad setup, but we'd really have to look inside of the can and see what's going on with the baffling to know if it's that great. But Chris thinks all this is Blitz. I think it's got a Blitz intercooler too. Yeah, Blitz intercooler. The radiator's interesting. What is it? K-Sport radiator. I've actually never seen this, I don't think. He's even got the vacuum lines ran in the OEM position still, which is cool. Yeah, just a cool, old school Type X drift car style build. Like, this is just awesome to me. It's got ABS too, which is hilarious because you don't really see 240s with ABS. And you don't really see a lot of 180s with ABS either. That's kind of a rare thing. And I'm pretty sure this isn't a real 180. I mean, this isn't a real Type X. This is a like 92 or something. So it's very rare to see that. I almost feel like that's not stock, but it's gotta be. But yeah, so are we gonna film this car? I don't know, but I'm sure you'll see some stuff from this in the next coming weeks. Maybe we'll do a video after it's lowered and everything like that, so. Yeah, let me know if you guys are into these cars. This is pretty much my favorite car, honestly. Like, this style of car. I never got to do one myself. I do have a black 240 hatch that is going to be like this one day, but I got enough projects, so I'm trying to finish those before we do that. But 180SX in red is that's just the best. And it is a 92, but they still paint match the A-pillar, which is, I guess I might as well tell everyone now, this is mandatory. If you don't do this, this is gonna kill the entire look. If this is black, it's gonna kill the entire look of the car. So 95 and up, this was paint matched. Not this part, not the actual door seal trim piece, but the car itself, this piece is painted red. And the paint matched mirrors are awesome as well. Let us know what you think, and tell us what you would do to this thing. Would you change anything? Would you leave it? Would you lower it? Or are you into the height? Just a reminder, we are giving away products every month over on factionmotorsports.com. Every $5 spent gets you one entry, and Faction Motorsports merch and products get you double entries. And for the month of September, we are giving away a steering wheel and hub package for any vehicle of your choosing. We are specifically giving away Nardi or personal steering wheels. So check the steering wheels out on our website or on Google. We can pretty much get any wheel you can find as long as it's still in production. And yeah, every $5 spent is one entry, and Faction Motorsports products is double entry. So Nardi and personal steering wheels are our favorite steering wheels. They're kind of drift culture's favorite steering wheels, I would say. So this is definitely an awesome opportunity to get something that a lot of people honestly never want to spend the money on, but they know they want it. So get those orders in for September, and the winner will be announced in October.